Hello and welcome to the weekly news update here on Cryptotvplus, the 18th of January 2022. I'm Oshunniyi, bringing you the weekly dose of blockchain news. Coming up, retail giant Wallmart enters the metaverse. OKEX rebrands to OKEX. Binance teams up with Thailand for crypto exchange. Now let's get you updated on the crypto weekly news. Walmart prepares to enter the metaverse, launch its cryptocurrency and also its non-fungible tokens or NFTs. Walmart says it is willing to offer its users variety of goods in the metaverse alongside the NFTs and digital currency. They also said that the aim of this is to give their users the opportunity to shop virtually. It is still a work in progress and they are still testing innovative ideas. Meanwhile, leading cryptocurrency exchange OKEX has rebranded to OKEX. The company made the announcement on Tuesday, the 18th of January 2022. The company rebrand is as a result of its evolution from just a centralized exchange serving 20 million users across the globe to a company with multiple innovative solutions, such as the centralized cryptocurrency trading platform. While still remaining true to its commitment to offer unparalleled services to its millions of users across the globe, the leading exchange said it will be committing to invest deeply in the future of crypto. And finally, world's largest crypto exchange Binance teams up with Thailand for crypto exchange. This agreement was made with Gul Energy Development PCL, an energy sector-based company owned by Sarath Ratanavadi. A Binance spokesperson told Reuters that the aim of this partnership is to expand the Binance ecosystem into Thailand and even globally. And that's it for the weekly news update here on Cryptotvplus. For more market updates and all the happenings captured in the world of blockchain and cryptocurrency, visit our website cryptotvplus.com. Also follow us on our social media, Facebook and Twitter at Cryptotvplus to get daily info on our programs. Thank you for watching. I'm Oshunniyi. Until next time.